Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to recharge your Boost mobile. So come here to recharge.boost.com, right? And you can sign in right here or enter your mobile number and go through with the process. Let me show the process to you. So you choose your recharge amount after this, and then you securely, of course, make your payment. Now this is from your browser. You can also use the My Boost mobile app. Okay, can you pay with a credit card or PayPal, even a voucher? So you just log into My Boost mobile app using your Boost username and password. You open up the service tab, choose your prepaid service, and then you can select recharge now and just follow the prompts. You can also do this via SMS, guys. So once you have purchased a voucher, what you do, now these usually get them from retailers, all right? You send a free SMS to 125-100 with your 12-digit voucher PIN. Okay, and if you want to view your prepaid balance, you can also text balance to that number, or you can text recharge to the same number, 125-100. But otherwise, it is really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.